Hey everyone, in this video we will see Rheem water heater reset button, where it is and how to reset your unit. So where is the reset button? On most Rheem electric water heater, the reset button is behind the upper axis panel on the side of the tank. Under the insulation, a small red button labeled reset. So how to reset a Rheem water electric heater? Steps are: turn off the water heater breaker, then remove the upper axis panel using a screwdriver, then pull back the insulation and plastic cover. Find the red reset button and press it until you feel a click. Put the plastic cover, insulation and axis panel back in place. Turn the breaker on again, then wait for about 30 to 60 minutes of the water to heat up. And also how to reset a Rheem tankless water heater. Steps are: turn the unit off, unplug it or switch off the breaker, then wait for 5 minutes, restore power to the unit, turn the water heater back on. Thanks for watching.